Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few things hit the spot like that first bite of golden, crispy fried chicken skin. It's salty, crunchy, and packed with flavor, good enough to steal the spotlight from the meat itself. In this video, we'll trace its roots from humble beginnings to global favorite, share foolproof recipes, and even explore smarter ways to enjoy it without the guilt. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just love eating it, there's always something new to learn about this irresistible snack. Let's get into what makes fried chicken skin so special. The history and cultural significance of fried chicken skin. Fried chicken skin isn't just a snack. It's a story of resourcefulness and flavor. What started as a way to make the most of every part of the bird has turned into a global obsession. From southern U.S. kitchens to Tokyo izakayas, its crispy allure crosses borders and traditions. Southern U.S. roots. In the American South, fried chicken skin is more than a dish. It's a legacy. Deeply tied to soul food, it reflects a history of turning humble ingredients into something extraordinary. Enslaved Africans brought frying techniques to the South, and over time, crispy chicken skin became a star at family gatherings and Sunday dinners. Why does it still hold such a special place? Texture and flavor. The crunch delivers an instant payoff, while the seasoning, often just salt, pepper, and a touch of spice, keeps it simple yet unforgettable. Cultural touchstone. It's a symbol of comfort, a bite that's as much about nostalgia as it is about taste. You'll find it served alongside collards, mashed potatoes, or even piled high on its own as a bar snack. Global variations. While the South perfected its version, other cultures put their own spin on fried chicken skin. Here's how it's enjoyed around the world. Japan, Tebasaki. Wings are prized for their skin, fried until crisp and glazed with a sticky savory sauce. The skin stays crunchy even when coated, a testament to Japanese frying precision. Korea, Yangnyeom tongdak. Korean fried chicken doubles down on crispiness, with a twice-fried method that makes the skin shatter like glass. It's often dusted with spices or drenched in sweet spicy sauce. Philippines, Chicharon Manok. Here, chicken skin is fried until golden, then served with vinegar or a spicy dip. It's street food at its most addictive. Each version proves one thing. When it comes to fried chicken skin, every culture has its own way of making magic. Now, let's move on to the best ways to make it at home, without missing a beat on flavor or texture. How to make perfect fried chicken skin. The secret to perfect fried chicken skin lies in 3 key steps. Choosing the right base, layering on bold flavors, and mastering the fry. Get these right, and you'll have crackling crisp skin that's impossible to resist. Choosing the right chicken. Not all chicken skin fries equally. For the best results, focus on cuts with a higher fat-to-skin ratio. Thighs. Thick, sturdy skin that crisps well without shrinking too much. Ideal for bite-sized chunks or strips. Wings. Naturally crispy when fried, with a thinner layer that turns golden fast. Perfect for snacking. Skin on breast or separate skin pieces. Less common but great for pure skin lovers. Trim excess fat to avoid chewiness. Freshness matters too. Look for skin that's smooth, not slimy, with a faint sheen. If you're buying pre-cut skin, check for uniformity, thick spots fry unevenly. Seasoning and marinating. Bland skin is a missed opportunity. Whether you keep it simple or go bold, seasoning is non-negotiable. Dry rubs. A mix of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika is classic. For heat, add cayenne or chili flakes. Wet marinades. Buttermilk with hot sauce tenderizes and adds tang. For Asian flair, try soy sauce, ginger, and a hint of sugar. Post-fry dusting. Toss hot skin in seasoned flour, grated Parmesan, or even powdered vinegar for extra punch. Pro tip: if using a wet marinade, pat the skin dry before frying. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Frying techniques: the method you choose changes the texture and convenience. Here's how they stack up. Deep frying, traditional favorite. Submerge skin in 350 degrees Fahrenheit oil, peanut or vegetable oil works best. Fry in small batches to avoid temperature drops. Result: evenly golden, maximally crisp. Downside: requires more oil and cleanup. Pan frying, quick and approachable. Heat 1/4 inch of oil in a skillet. Lay skin flat, no overlapping. Flip once, pressing gently with a spatula to prevent curling. Result: one-sided crunch, less mess. Good for small quantities. Air frying, healthier but tricky. Arrange skin in a single layer, lightly oiled. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes. Shake the basket halfway for even browning. Result: lighter crisp, though slightly less rich. Best for thinly sliced pieces. No matter the method, use a wire rack to drain excess oil. Salt immediately after frying. It sticks better when the skin is piping hot. Timing is everything. Pull the skin when it's deep golden, not dark brown. It keeps crisping as it cools. Now you know the story behind this crispy treat. But wait, we're just getting started. Up next, we'll show you how to make it and even try some healthier twists. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.